LearningBOX, how to create a text-to-speech quiz. How do you improve or assess learners' listening skills? In LearningBOX, you can create listening quizzes of multiple languages with a text-to-speech function. You don't need any applications nor complex coding. Now, let's see how to create a text-to-speech quiz in LearningBOX. On the dashboard, click on the contents. If you haven't created a course yet, create one from the plus button first. Click the course you've created. From the plus button, select Content, Quiz Exam, and Create Quiz. In this form, enter a title, select the options if necessary. Now, let's create a quiz. Click on Edit Quiz and select a quiz format. As an example, I'll choose MCQ this time. For the quiz sentence, let me try a Spanish quiz. I'm not familiar with Spanish, so let's use Google Translate. Enter a sentence and click on the copy icon. The Spanish quiz sentence was copied. Go back to the creation form in LearningBOX. Paste the copied sentence. For a text-to-speech quiz, the setting is very easy. What you need to do is just to enclose a question in double angle brackets for the part you want to play back. You can also change the voice type. This function is linked to Amazon Polly. When you go to the Amazon Polly website, you can check supported languages and types of voice. This time, I'll choose Mexican Spanish, Mia's voice. Go back to the LearningBOX again. Right before the quiz sentence, enter the name of voice and colon. Please make sure that there are no spaces between the name, colon, and quiz sentence. I'll add more information in the tips before answering questions this time. If you want to insert images, click here. From this icon, drag and drop the file you want to insert. Next, enter the answer choices. I put blue for the correct answer. Enter the incorrect answers for each column. Let's preview. Now, you see a playback button on the quiz sentence.
Por favor, elija azul.
Great! You can also use this function for answers. Click on Back to save the quiz. If you want to add more questions, click the plus button here. To finish creating this quiz, click on the blue button to save it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.